You've put a lot of time and money into developing an exceptional credentialing program. But how are you managing all of the other steps in your credentials lifecycle? For many organizations, that means juggling spreadsheets or struggling with legacy software that can't adapt to your changing business needs. For those using ROC-P, it's easy. ROC-P is a cloud-based platform built to centralize and automate your credentialing management, from applications to workflows to reporting. It can save hundreds of hours of time, add capacity, and even generate revenue to help your organization grow.
I would recommend ROC-P because they make everything easy, basically, for us. It's a one-stop shop for us. We're able to have our applications in one place, our annual registration in one place, our scheduling for our oral exam in one place. We liked ROC-P because it wasn't just a Band-Aid, it was long-term thinking.
ROC-P is purpose-built to adapt completely to your existing workflows, out of the box and without custom development. Empower your team to automate routine tasks and help candidates serve themselves with intuitive dashboards. Integrate with your testing partners and let ROC-P serve as the central hub your organization needs. We've been building ROC-P for more than a decade and understand exactly how you do business.
They can speak our language. That's something that we never had before. Before we had to really articulate what we needed, why we needed it. I think what we've learned with ROC-P is they can finish our sentences, and it's really incredible.
If you're ready to transform your business, ROC-P is ready to help. Reach out today for a demo and take your credentialing management to the next level with ROC-P.